Hey guys, and welcome back. This week I'm going to be showing you how to make more Halloween lunches. The first thing I'm starting with is some black food coloring because I have some Halloween pasta and most of it is orange and white, and I wanted to add some black to it, but it ended up turning purple, which is okay because it still looks Halloweenish. And now I'm just going to roast some pumpkin seeds. We did our pumpkins today and I wanted to make some seeds. And so I just added some butter flavored spray. Put your seeds down, add some more butter spray, and then add some salt, 350 for 15-20 minutes or until they are done. That the Halloween pasta is done, I'm just going to add some of that. I'm also going to add some Parmesan cheese and some fangs. And then I'm going to add some ranch dressing, some broccoli, and some tomatoes and googly eyes into the vegetables to make them look super cute. And then I'm just going to add my banana and some eyes. I use little mini Reese's Pieces for the eyes. And then I'm going to add some cheese and the pumpkin seeds along with some peanut butter M&Ms. And that's it. Lunch number 1 is done. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought I would do a little talk with me while I'm doing my lunches. This day is Tuesday, and Bella Boo's lunches last week or the week before did a tag on Instagram, and she tagged me to do this tag. So that's what I'm doing. Basically, I got on Instagram and asked you guys, whoever's on my Instagram, for help packing my kids' lunch. So you guys picked cantaloupe. So I'm going to be doing cantaloupe today for my kiddos. It was funny because Allison got on there. She has a couple of Instagram accounts. Some of them are private because I don't want her stuff getting out to anybody. And she's like, no, I don't want that bread. I want the white bread. I don't like the other bread. So she voted 3 times to have white bread, but unfortunately white bread did not make the cut. So with that said, I am going to go ahead and give her white bread because I know if I give her the other bread, she's not going to eat it. So that's what we're going to do. But Sophia will have the other bread because she likes the other bread. And also Allison does not like when I cut out this stuff for her. So I'm just going to give her the scraps of what I just cut out so that way it's not wasted. Not that it would be wasted anyways because the girls will eat it for dinner or whatever. That's what I try to do with the scraps that I have left over, is I will just give them it for dinner. So that's what we are doing. Okay, so here is that bread that I was talking about. Allison just wants plain bread. This is a potato bread that we bought. The girls seem to really like it. So Allison has become such a picky eater. I don't know why. She's now wanting to become a vegetarian. She doesn't want any meat products, which is fine. I can understand where she's coming from on that because she's an animal lover. Sophia is too, but she really likes steak and things like that. She's not really eaten much chicken, but she does pretty much like anything and everything. She's my good eater. So anyways, here is the Halloween bread. It is completely frozen because I did freeze it because this is fresh baked bread, and if you leave it out for a couple days, it will go moldy quick on you. So it is frozen, but by the time she gets to it tomorrow, it will no longer be frozen. So she'll be fine with that. Okay, now we're gonna get started on packing Sophia's lunch first, and then we will move on and pack Allison's lunch. But I think I'll only show you Sophia's lunch for today because it's basically the same exact thing Sophia is getting. So we have her sandwich first, and you guys picked the Baby Bell cheese, and also you picked these little guys. Ooh. I might have to take a few of those out of there. That's okay, we can do that. Okay, and then of course you guys picked some Oreos. So I'm going to leave them 2 Oreos, or actually just 1. This is a little haunted house, super cute. So she will have that right there. And then you guys also picked yogurt. Let me grab a spoon real fast. Okay, now where are we gonna put this yogurt? This is the hardest part, you guys, is figuring out which compartment I want to put everything in. Let's see. I have this, so let's go ahead and put this right there. Hopefully everything will fit. Probably not, but that's okay. We will figure it out. We'll just stick that right on top of there. And then the yogurt will then go in here. Do you guys pack your kids' lunches every day, or is it just partial? What do you guys do for their lunches? Do they eat at school? Do they have healthy lunches at school? Sophia's lunches at school are somewhat healthy, but she doesn't really like them, and they don't look that good. Every time I go, I'm like, oh, okay. Well, I'm glad I packed you lunch today. This looks like a lot of sugar, but it's really not, because it's just a little cookie and then that, but anyways. And then I think I'll just stick this Baby Bell right in there. And there's your lunch, guys. I'm gonna stick a couple pics in there, and that's it. We're done with lunch. Hey guys, for Wednesday's lunch, I totally forgot to film this, but this is what she had. And if you would like to see more, I do have a video up of explaining everything that she got for her lunch that day. And then on Thursday, she actually ate lunch at school, and then Friday they were out of school. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.